subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has finally launched the lower variant of Honor 9X in Finland called Honor 9X Lite. Talking about the specifications, the Honor 9X Lite supports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a wide notch that carries 16-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, it features a dual camera setup in a squarish module including LED flash. The dual rear camera includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 710 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage along with the microSD expansion support. On the software front, the Honor 9X Lite runs on Android 9 Pie based on EMUI 9 skin on top, and interestingly, the phone supports Google Play services. The device packs with 3750 mAh battery that supports 10 watts charging through a Type-C port. Additionally, the handset also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.4 by 76.6 by 7.8 mm and it weighs around 175 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor 9X Lite has been priced in Finland at 199 euros. The pre-orders for the phone will begin on April 30 in black and green color options, and it will go on sale starting from May 14th. So, what do you guys think of this Honor 9X Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.